Keeping an open mind, and all that surrounds me is aiming to polarize. I've done enough weeping to know that it ain't alright.
Train bridge. Some pretty crazy sights.
Keeping an open mind,
I have a vantage point across the.
keeping an open
Hold on, let's see if I can flip the camera here.
all that surrounds me is reaching.
There's a good vantage point across from the bridge, facing the sun, so we'll see how that turns out. Check out that view.
Keeping an open hand. What left to say? More than a prayer. Reaching out for.
I was once part of a bike race and I crossed this
Left to say.
in the middle of the night and I didn't even notice. I had been coughing for about 15 hours straight riding my bike. I thought I was near the end of my ride.
And all that surrounds me is aiding to pen me in. I've done enough dreaming to know that I can't be bound. Beginning to leave the ground. I'm keeping an open plan. What left to say? More than a prayer. Reaching out for a better way. What left to say? More than a prayer. Reaching out for a better way. Here I lay it down. Here I lay it down. Let my fear dissolve. Let me shed it and evolve. Let my feet be planted. Let me stand up really tall. I'm a miracle. What left to say? More than a prayer. Reaching out for a better way. What left to say? More than a prayer. Reaching out for a better way. Got the steps around the park. Consider drinking in the yard. In the words of a perfect stranger.
It's at this moment that I pulled my goggles off my head and witnessed my drone separated from its battery, hurtling 240 feet down into a ravine. I had to find my way down there and I had to scout quite a few different locations, but either way I was looking at crossing icy water and having to navigate my way down a sheer cliff. Found a dirt embankment that I was able to slide down, but I started sliding down at a controlled pace and had to cross the icy water and fell through and was waist steep several times till finally I found my lipo, but no drone. Fallen in the water a couple times, so I think I'm gonna call it. Climbed down here and I had to cross the water where it was went into the water. As you can see, my pants are wet. So I climbed down a chute, so I'm gonna have to get up there again. I'm gonna put my phone away, I'm gonna fall. Let's climb up that. And yeah, this is more about survival now. Pants are soaking wet, ice water. Didn't find my drone, found my battery. It was already in the water and the sheeting was gone. At this point, after the stuff I had to do, I'm just willing to call it off for that drone. It's not worth it. Still fun though. Hopefully my DVR has footage of
that crash. Oh, man. Hands are all gummed up. Lost control on the way down the slide and had to jump off the edge there. About a 6-foot fall. Hoping I have enough stuff to grab on the way up here to get up safely. No drone. Couldn't find it. Moral of the story is drones are for dangerous situations, not yourself.